Hi, I'm Guillermo Martinez, and welcome to my shop here. I've been working on these triple flutes. I do it a couple times a year, and we thought it'd be a good idea to show you a book here that I reference and use for my inspiration. And right here you'll see someone playing a triple flute, and these are all part of the ceremonial flutes that were used throughout the temple building cultures in Mexico. So we're talking about the Aztecs, the Maya. I've taken the concept of the clay flute, the double and triple and multiple chamber flutes, and adapted them to the wood flutes. I was thinking about the ease of playing, trying to make it accessible, that a triple flute could actually be the very first flute that you acquire and you learn on. The ones in the book are kind of more complex, more like this one here, where you would have multiple sides that you would play. And I've decided, well, we can make it simple, and like this one, and put all the holes on one side, and so it's easy to reach. On these, you can actually just separate out the one flute. And this one's an F sharp, 432. So, if you have medium-sized hands, you'd be able to play this one easily, because you could just learn just with the one side. Then move over, play the second one. And if you move over, play all three, then you would combine this. That's my job, is to make them so they're harmonic and sound beautiful. So there you're hearing three different tones at the same time and harmonizing beautifully. And so just like the clay ones I made, each flute has its own mouth hole, and you have to get them close together. And you have to kind of balance it out so the pressure doesn't take a lot of air. And so this is some of the things I've had to work out on my own. I feel it's important to build these by hand. People have a certain energy, a certain quality about them. In teaching, I always tell my students that, put yourself into your work. It's your work is also a reflection of who you are as a person. And so to mass produce these, to figure out a way how to make them faster or how to machine them more, use more equipment to do them. I don't know, it's just not my way of doing things. So thank you for this quick visit into the shop here. I'm gonna get back to work, so we'll talk to you soon. Hometakuias.